From raw materials to finished HMIs, APEM's integrated manufacturing.
APEM, an industrial group specializing in HMIs, has built its success on two standout qualities: highly customizable HMIs, integrated manufacturing. We are able to produce industrial HMIs from switches to the most complex integrated solutions on all our production sites scattered around the world. Thanks to a powerful production facility equipped with state-of-the-art machines, APEM easily adapts to its customers' projects, whether in terms of technology, design, options, or volume. APEM controls all stages of production, from the transformation of raw materials to finished products. The vast majority of the components we assemble are produced in-house. This allows us to guarantee consistent quality standards in all aspects of production according to the QR/QC methods. Each HMI that leaves our plants has undergone a well-established, documented and controlled process. We are certain of its quality because we have controlled all the stages of its production, from tooling to testing. For complex HMIs, such as joysticks or solutions, we have the ability to integrate communication protocols such as CAN, RS485, RS422, USB. Finally, our products are protected against ESD/EMC. Thanks to a fully integrated quality management system, APEM is recognized in the HMI market for the quality of its products. In-house laboratories test and qualify all products according to international standards. In addition, APEM products are tested by specialized laboratories for specific qualifications, such as VDE, ATEX, CECC, and MIL-SPEC. To meet our customers' unique specifications and deliver an exclusive HMI solution, we rely on the adaptability of our production lines. Thanks to our wide range of options, every finished product we manufacture is unique. The use of partial manual assembly gives us exceptional flexibility, and the strict quality controls carried out on every product ensure that it meets the highest standards of precision and reliability. APEM has developed a relationship of trust with its customers. Some projects require the production of large quantities of products over a long period of time. In such cases, we can develop a custom-made assembly and/or test machine. You can count on us to support you in all your human-machine interface projects, from the simplest to the most complex. You can be absolutely certain that you have a solution customized to your application and your brand, able to withstand even the most extreme conditions of use.